Well, good morning. Getting ready to do a bunch of bottle stoppers today, and through my experience, I've learned that threading the wood and trying to use that as the base for putting your stoppers in, or any type of handle or anything like that, it works, but it's not real consistent. So what I've done is I've gone to putting inserts in. It's not difficult, so let me show you how I put inserts in a piece of wood. First thing, make sure that your block that you're going to turn is completely flush against your chuck, and that way it'll be easy to repeat. You just shove it all the way in. Then what I like to use is I use a Forstner bit, and this is the biggest one I have. Get that locked in, bring it up to it's just about touching. The reason I like Forstner bits is it gives you a nice flat surface across here, nice and perpendicular to the far side, and it gives you a nice little center point there to guide your drill bit on the next process. There you go. We've surfaced this. We've got a nice center point. So let's take the Forstner bit out and drop in a little stub bit. Now I get I got all this stuff from Niles bottle stoppers, and it comes in a kit, so that way you know everything kind of works together. This is a 7/16 stub bit. And now that we've got that nice little center point there, we'll bring it up to not close but not touching, and we'll just run this guy in. I've already got it taped off for my depth. It's the depth of the insert plus a little bit extra, so you have a little air gap at the end. And there you go. That's taken care of. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to get this guy out, and then what I did is I made a special tool. So I made this special tool here. Basically, I took a 3/8/16 bolt. I think this is 2.5, 3.5 inches long, and I just cut the head off. Bring it up, get it close, run the chuck down on it. And what this will do is, by using this, it will give you a nice straight approach to put the bit in. Clean that out. And to put the nice clean approach to put the insert in. So there's the insert. You don't have to screw it all the way on down. You basically just using this, and here I'll show you. Look how straight that is. And then you use this to crank it in. And there you go. So let me back this up a little bit. And a towel down here. And the reason I use a towel is because I use Gorilla Glue. And I use Gorilla Glue because it'll pretty much glue anything. Also, it expands a little bit, so don't use a lot, and it'll get down in these grooves here and get seed into your wood. The wood here's already got a little moisture in it. Thing about Gorilla Glue is you want moisture in there. There we go. Get some on the end. Get this guy way out of the way. Get up in there. Coat the whole inside. And grab another one. And now we're going to put it on the insert itself. And again, just a little. You just want just a little light coating. You don't want a big old, bigger the blob, better the job mentality. Because the reason I use this stuff is because it does expand. So get a nice even coat on it. Nice and thin. There we go. And that's it. Now we're going to take this and we're going to seat it so that this here, the end of it here, is below the depth of this surface here, just like a 1/16 or a 32nd of an inch. Just run it in, run it in, run it in. Take it in just a little bit more, just a hair more, and you're done. And that's it. And that's how I install inserts into a wood for bottle stoppers. Gosh, a whole bunch of stuff. There's a whole bunch of kits that you can buy to make like ice cream scoops and just a wide variety of stuff. Anyway, there you go. Now you want to be extra careful not to get any on this shaft here. Now that we've got this done and it's all lined up and it's in there, we're gonna undo the chuck, slide this off, and get this guy out of there. And you're good to go. That's it. It's not very difficult to do. This way gets it nice and straight. And we've left a little on there, so when you come back, you can face this surface just a little and get rid of the excess glue as it bubbles out. So there you go. If you have any other ideas, put it down in the comments section, and thanks for watching.